Where can I get business insurance in Sterling Heights, Michigan? New business startups require an incredible amount of capital and the costs can be tough to manage. So many companies consider the various types of business insurance to be an expense that will have to wait. Entrepreneurs often claim that they simply cannot afford to outlay the cash required for non-essential services. The fact of the matter is that failing to retain business insurance can quickly result in failure, and there is no excuse for not properly protecting the company's assets and potential. Many consumers choose not to deal with an uninsured company, particularly one that will be working on their home. Construction companies and any other service providers must ensure that the property owner will not be placed in any vicarious situations. If an accident occurs at a residence, it is vitally important that the company has an adequate level of coverage to cover any of their employees and their actions. Wise consumers often require proof of insurance before any work begins, and uninsured companies will often not even be given the chance to provide an estimate for potential work. Even if a business finds a customer that is willing to look past the fact that there is no appropriate level of protection, the company is still taking a huge chance. If any accidents or damage do occur, the business will be required to pay all costs and perhaps even legal fees. The result can be a staggering payout that would virtually bankrupt any small business. While there is no absolute way to avoid liability, there are definitely steps that can be taken to minimize it and protect a company in the event of any situations. Businesses of any age rely fairly heavily on their inventory and equipment, but new companies would find it much more difficult to replace such items in the event of a loss. Disasters often strike when least expected, making it very hard to maintain cash flow and replace expensive items at the same time. Companies that lose their inventory have nothing to sell, and companies that suddenly don't have equipment have no way to generate revenue. Most business owners state that they would never own a home without insurance, but many of these entrepreneurs don't carry adequate business coverage. Although it may seem alright to wait until there is more cash flow, the truth is that procrastination can simply result in a situation that a company is unable to recover from.